To change DPI settings on the Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all, we need to open settings, and then in here we can find two methods that allow us to change DPI. First is in display settings. In here we can find screen zoom, and this is a very simple way that allows you to adjust the DPI. So we can move to the right to make everything bigger, or to the left in order to make everything smaller. Besides that, there is the second option, which is accessible by going to developer options. So we can scroll all the way down. And first we need to enable those developer options. So open About Phone, go to Software Information, and keep tapping on Build Number. Then enter your screen lock password and tap on Continue. You will see this message that developer mode has been turned on. So we can now go back. And then in settings, below About Phone, we can find developer options. Now here we need to scroll down for a short bit, and we need to find an option that is called smallest, or actually minimum width. This is the option that we are looking for over here. Now here we can change this value, and then based on that value, we can adjust the DPI. And the smaller the value is, the bigger elements on your screen are going to be. And the bigger the number, smaller UI is going to be. And so, for example, we can use, let's say, 320. This is the lowest value that we can provide. If you type, for example, 300, it's going to be set to 320 anyway. And as you can see, our UI is slightly bigger. And also we can provide a higher number, let's say 600. And then you will see that everything is going to be much, much smaller. You want to be really careful with these values. If you provide like a really, really high value, it might be very difficult to revert that change. And of course, you might mess something up and it might be difficult. And for example, you might have issues with the touch. For example, you might not be able to properly select options and so on and so forth. So try to not use like a really huge number. And the standard value, the default value of this option is 384. So if you want to revert to the standard size, standard DPI, then choose that value. Or what you can also do is you can go back to display settings. Then in here, open the screen zoom. You can change the screen zoom to one size and then go back to the standard one. And this will fix the DPI as well. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.